is that? Is that a tree in the house? What is that?
Woof. Woof.
Where's Max?
She's on the back. I don't know if she's chewing on it or just...
She's probably chewing on it. Are you rubbing in that?
The branches are going to go down, right?
Well, I mean, you know. We'll hang stuff on them. What is that? Is that a real tree? Are you covered with sap now? Are you a sappy cat? Is it delicious?
Max.
All done.
Oh, did she unwrap that present?
Yeah, she did. Cats have got a head start. Okay. Our first real tree. Very Charlie Brownie.